Complete meal plan for family. The complete meal plan for family is all about catering to the tastes and nutritional needs of everyone at home. It includes a mix of kid-friendly dishes, hearty mains, and nutritious sides, ensuring meals are balanced and enjoyable for all ages. Expect dishes like comforting casseroles, fun taco nights, and fresh salads. Ideal for busy households, this plan simplifies meal preparation and planning, making it easier to keep everyone well-fed and happy. It focuses on family favorites and nutritious options, ensuring everyone gets a balanced diet. A complete meal plan for family ensures everyone gets balanced, delicious meals. It includes a variety of proteins, vegetables, and grains to meet diverse nutritional needs. This plan features family-friendly recipes that are easy to prepare and enjoy together. Additionally, it emphasizes portion control and balanced meals, helping maintain overall health for all family members.